In this video, we will explore the truth about eco-friendly cleaning products. This means we will discuss what they are, their health and environmental benefits, how they compare to chemical-based conventional cleaning products, and much more. Let's begin. When we clean our homes thoroughly, we often reach for sanitizers, bleach, and disinfectants for tough tasks. However, many of these store-bought items contain chemicals that can harm both people and the planet. Can eco-friendly alternatives effectively replace conventional cleaning products? Indeed, this is why many consumers are switching to eco-friendly options for their cleaning needs. These products avoid harsh chemicals, making them safer for your family's health and our environment. Despite their growing popularity, some of us hesitate to transition from bleach to baking soda. If you're still unsure about replacing strong chemicals with gentle, eco-friendly cleaners, continue reading to discover their advantages and effectiveness. Now, what are the risks associated with chemical-based cleaning products? Before discussing eco-friendly options, let's first examine the health and environmental risks tied to chemical products. The United States Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, outlines several dangers linked to traditional cleaning agents. Pollution from disposing chemical products into waterways, poor indoor and outdoor air quality due to volatile organic compounds, VOCs, present in many chemical formulations. Cleaning professionals may face overexposure to harmful chemicals from these products. Some ingredients found in typical cleaners can irritate the skin, eyes, and throat. Moreover, chemical exposure can lead to various health complications, including poisoning, asthma, birth defects in children, and chemical burns. Next, let's identify what eco-friendly cleaning products are. Eco-friendly cleaning products use biodegradable formulas, avoid single-use plastics, and are often sold in compostable packaging. They are generally safer because they consist of organic or non-toxic ingredients. In addition to common items like baking soda, lemon, and vinegar found in your kitchen, many eco-friendly products are available commercially. To confirm a product is free from harmful chemicals, look for EPA certification before purchasing. Check labels and search for the "safer choice" tag on packaging. Now, you may wonder, do eco-friendly cleaning products work? For instance, baking soda serves as an excellent deodorizer, while vinegar is widely used as an all-purpose cleaner. Eco-friendly options match the effectiveness of conventional cleaning products containing toxic chemicals. While chemicals enhance cleaning power, many eco-friendly alternatives perform just as well. They effectively remove tough stains, cut grease, and even eliminate bacteria. Are eco-friendly cleaning products suitable for hard surfaces? These products are ideal for hard surfaces. They are less corrosive and offer gentle cleaning, ensuring no damage. What benefits do eco-friendly cleaning products provide? Still deciding whether to transition to plant-based or eco-friendly cleaning products? From health considerations to environmental impact, here are the benefits of using eco-friendly cleaning products. Are they efficient cleaners? Surprisingly, there is minimal evidence showing traditional cleaners outperform eco-friendly options. Some research indicates biodegradable cleaning products excel in difficult cleaning tasks. Are they less harmful? These alternatives are safe for human health, in contrast to non-eco-friendly cleaners, which can be toxic. Exposure to harsh chemicals poses significant risks. Are they beneficial for the environment? Eco-friendly cleaning products are considerably safer for the environment. They do not contain pollutants that could contribute to air and water contamination. Additionally, most are recyclable, or at least their packaging is. On the contrary, traditional cleaners contain harmful ingredients and can be lethal to wildlife. Do they help reduce plastic waste? Plastic waste poses serious issues for our planet. Conversely, green cleaners often utilize refillable containers, biodegradable materials, and recyclable packaging. Here are some tips to ensure you're choosing eco-friendly cleaning products. As eco-friendly products gain popularity, some manufacturers may mislabel their products as natural or organic. Consider these guidelines when selecting the right eco-friendly cleaning items. Familiarize yourself with key terms. You don't need a chemistry degree to understand product labels. Look for commonly used ingredients like thymol, vinegar, and lemon. Other components may include sodium percarbonate, or a mix of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. These ingredients are considered safe. Beware of warning signs. Some brands may claim eco-friendliness while containing harmful substances. Avoid products with ammonia, bleach, and chlorine. Steer clear of items marked with flammable, corrosive, or poisonous symbols. Opt for EPA-certified products to guarantee the safety of eco-friendly cleaning products. Look for EPA certification. Manufacturers must apply for EPA certification prior to selling these products. EPA scientists verify their effectiveness and environmental safety. So, what are the best eco-friendly cleaning options? All eco-friendly cleaning products benefit you, your family, and the planet. However, not all products share the same components. The top eco-friendly cleaning items comprise compostable, zero waste, and fully recyclable materials. They should be natural, contain biodegradable ingredients, and efficiently clean your home while eradicating bacteria. What natural alternatives exist for eco-friendly cleaning products? Not every eco-friendly option is purchased from stores or online. You likely possess some natural household cleaners already in your pantry. Similar to eco-friendly cleaners, these natural items are also beneficial to the environment and our health. Some common examples include vinegar or apple cider vinegar, baking soda, lemon, castile soap, tea tree oil. Natural cleaning product recipes. Discover how to transform everyday household items into eco-friendly cleaners on our learning resources page. All-purpose cleaner. Mix equal parts of water and vinegar in a spray bottle. Use this solution to clean hard surfaces around your home. To create a disinfectant for germ elimination, blend 2 cups of water, half a teaspoon tea tree oil, and 1 tablespoon liquid castile soap. This mixture will serve as a versatile disinfectant against viruses. To make a drain cleaner, add 1/2 cup of baking soda to the clogged drain, followed by 1 cup of vinegar. Let the mixture sit for about 15 minutes to work its magic. Then flush the drain with boiling water. To prepare a glass cleaner, combine 2 cups of hot water with 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1/4 cup of rubbing alcohol, and 1 teaspoon cornstarch. This mixture will effectively clean glass surfaces, stovetops, and windows. To create an air freshener to eliminate odors from your fridge or carpet, sprinkle baking soda in affected areas or place a bowl of it in the fridge. To refresh the entire house, boil water with cinnamon, lemon slices, vanilla, or dried flowers. Multi-purpose scrub. Combine water and baking soda to form a paste. Apply this paste using a scrubber, brush, or sponge to clean stoves, sinks, bathtubs, floor tiles, and various hard surfaces. Conclusion: do eco-friendly cleaning products deliver results? Absolutely. They can perform as effectively as standard commercial cleaners. For those interested in eco-friendly options, ensure the product is EPA certified. Choose biodegradable, non-toxic products free from harsh chemicals. Also, consider using common household ingredients readily available in your pantry. Baking soda, lemon, vinegar, and similar items can help you create eco-friendly cleaning solutions at home.